Hearty greetings to one and all. This video is for the teachers community who have shifted their offline class into online class recently. Evaluation as well as follow-up plays a vital role in our teaching learning process. Hence, I tend to post a video on creating online test tool using Google Forms. First, let us open our Gmail box, and in the right corner we might have our own Google account. Click on our own Google account. Now the Google account opens in a new tab. In the right corner we can see few dots which are Google Apps. Just click on those dots. When we click on those dots, it will open with the numerous apps such as Gmail, Play Store, YouTube and Drive. Just click on Google Drive icon. The Google Drive opens in a new tab. Now click on My Drive. When we click on My Drive, it opens into a Google application such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, so on. Just you click on More. It will further opens into Google Forms and again into a blank form. The blank Google form opens with an untitled format and a blank description with options. Just type the title you wish to conduct online test. I have typed the title, The Castle, and I like to conduct test on paragraph. In the first section, we can type the title, name, and select the option short answer, in which students might have typed their names. After typing the title of the content and name, switch on required button at the end. In the right side, we have menu icons consisting of next question, import option, text description, image, video, and next section. If you need the section of the students, you can click the next question icon. You can type section and select short answer option. Finally, switch on required button. The last icon in the menu is next section option. Click on the next section. The next section opens with the untitled format. You can write a test on paragraph on Edwin Moore's The Castle with a description, write a test on paper and upload it. In the right side menu, click on next question. Now you can type the question for the paragraph test and select the option upload file as shown in the figure. When you choose the upload file option, it will open with the option continue. Click on continue button. Keep in mind 4 things we have to do. First one, switch on specific file types. It opens with the options such as document, presentation, spreadsheet, PDF, image, video and audio. We can select image file. Second thing, choose the maximum number of files to add. Just click on number 5. It is because some of our children write the paragraph for 2 pages. Then there will be 2 photo image. Thirdly, click on file size to 10 MB. Finally, switch on the required button at the end. Once again, verify the specific file type, number of files, file size and switch on record button. Now at the top, click on customize theme options. The customize theme options have header image, theme color, background color and font style. As our own wish, we can customize the theme options. To customize the header, click on choose image. It opens with Google ready-made themes, upload option and photo option. We can select any ready-made themes or else we can upload from our own stored images. Finally, click on insert button at the end. The selected image will be uploaded in the header. The header, the theme color, background color and font style will be changed as we selected. After customizing the theme options, we can close the theme option. Then click on the setting button in the right top corner. The settings open with a general, presentation and quizzes page. In general page, just click on summary chart and text response. Ensure the maximum size of all files uploaded to be in the limit of 1 GB. And click the save button without file. Again click on the setting button and open the presentation page. Select progress bar and link to submit another response and finally click the save button. Lastly, click the setting button and open quizzes page. Switch on the button to make this a quiz. Select the immediately after such submission option. Click on missed questions and correct answers options. We need not click on point values as we are going to evaluate the paragraph answers manually. Finally, click on Save button. Click at the left corner of the page Answer key and ensure the 0 points. Though we have finished everything, at the right top of the page it shows Untitled form. Just click on the Untitled form. The title will be changed into The Castle, which we have given as a title in the title column. Even we can do it in the beginning itself. Finally, move on to Responses page. Click on Responses to open the page. The Responses pages will show 0 response as no one has uploaded any file. Select the spreadsheet icon and after clicking Accepting Responses at the end. The spreadsheet have two options. One is to create a new spreadsheet and the other select existing spreadsheet. Select New Spreadsheet and click the Create button. The new spreadsheet opens in a new tab. You can close the tab after verifying it. Finally, in the Google form, click the Send button at the right top. The Send form opens with three options: Mail, Link and Embedded form. Select only Link option. The Link option opens with a long link. Just click on Shorten URL and copy the link. You can send the copied link in WhatsApp to the students. Imagine you have sent the link to the student named Rani. Give instruction to the students to write a test on paper and then to click on the link that you have sent in the WhatsApp. Ask the students to type the name and click on Next button as shown in the figure. Then instruct the students to select Add file. The Add file opens with Upload option or Select files from your device. Instruct the students to press the Select files from your device. The Select files from your device opens with the Choose an action. Instruct the students to click Camera icon. The camera will open. Instruct the students to take a photo of their answers. The photo image uploads automatically. If the answer of the student extends to next page, instruct the students to add more file and upload the next page. Without file, click the Upload button which is in blue color. Finally, instruct the students to click on the Submit button. The students can view their accuracy. It opens only after the submission. Now it is the teacher's turn to evaluate the answer sheet of the students. Just open the Google Drive in the mobile. The Google Drive opens with the Google form titled The Castle and the spreadsheet titled The Castle. Choose the spreadsheet titled The Castle. The spreadsheet opens and we are able to see one response. Just click on Spreadsheet icon to view responses in sheets. The response sheet opens in a new tab and has entered the date and time, name and the upload image. Click the Upload image link. The photo image of answer opens in small size. Just click on the photo image to be opened in a new tab. The answer sheet opens in a new tab in enlarged size. We can read the answers and send the awarded marks of the student in WhatsApp. I hope that creating an online test tool through Google Forms will be easy for the teachers and students in their teaching learning process. Thank you.